What is good, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get free PSN codes. This is really easy and simple. I've been able to buy all kinds of shark cards for GTA 5 doing this, and you can do this as many times as you want. Alright, so what you're going to do is go on this site called localcodes.club, and basically you're going to go ahead and pick out PlayStation. It works for other gift cards too, but we're using PlayStation Network in this case. And then you're going to pick out the $50 card, unless you want to have less money, that's up to you. And then it'll be connecting to the server. This only takes a few seconds, so it does not take long. But yeah, guys, my friend actually showed me this, and it's so fucking lit, so I'm really excited to share with you. Alright, so once it's done, you're going to hit recover my free PlayStation key. And you're going to pick out one of the offers. I'm just going to go ahead and pick out the top offer. And open. And it'll bring you to the App Store, and you're just going to go ahead and download. And once the download is finished, you're going to open the app, and it'll prompt you some free trials, and you're just going to go ahead and cancel them. You do not need to sign up or pay for anything whatsoever. Alright, guys, so what you're going to do is use the app for at least 30 seconds so it recognizes that you've actually downloaded the app and used it. And once you've used the app for about 30 seconds, you can go ahead and wait 5 minutes and return to the website you came from, and your code will be there, and you can use it on your PlayStation Network account. So that is it, guys. Comment down below if you need help. Like this video if you enjoyed. Peace.